Okay, we are going to the haunted train tracks in New Jersey.
In daylight, because last time you only saw it in nighttime and all you saw was our lantern. So we're actually going to show you what route we went down.
And this is our new member, Greg. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we walk down here, and you see that little opening over there? That's where we walk through.
You can hear the birds.
Yeah.
Whoop! Whoop! Oh my God! Whoop! Whoop!
Okay, so alright, stop. Okay, you see this? This path is very muddy, so if you ever try to go through this, just be prepared to wear your worst shoes. And be quiet about this, please.
Ow, my.
This is a bridge we have to pass over, or else we're gonna get really wet if we fall in it. And it's really hard to carry stuff. Okay. See the birds? All right, let's go. Check that out. It's a long path.
Check out that blue one.
Ah! God, I hate thorns. Whoever invented thorns suck.
Check out this. Sam, look at that fallen tree. That was actually struck by lightning about a week ago. Huge, huge, huge thunderstorm.
Okay. Well,
oh yeah,
you
Greg,
see those sticks right there?
I'm adding this to the barrier.
I think
Move off.
You go right. See these sticks here? These are how we know where we're going, if we're close or not. And we might be telling you, you might
look behind you.
look
We're
out for
almost there.
like about a little bit more than. Never mind. Anyway, this is very, 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 very scary at night. Especially when you only have a lantern, you can't see a thing. It looks like something from like the Blair Thumb. Because it looks like, remember when they're driving in the car? Not in the Blair Witch, the Blair Thumb. When they're driving in the car, it's like,
yeah.
I think we're in the woods.
Yeah.
And that kind of looks like it.
What? Yeah.
With, like,
does.
With the road right here. And like
Yeah,
the
it
trees.
does.
But it's funny because ow, what the hell?
Piece of coal.
They actually like put real videotaping
Train's coming.
in it. Train's coming.
What?